Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this phone. To get started, we're gonna hold the power button and select power off. When the device turns off, you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the ZTE logo, which should appear just about now, any moment now, there we go, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And once the recovery mode shows up, you can also let go of the volume up button. Now in this mode, we will need to utilize either one of the volume buttons to navigate up and down, depending on which one you use, in order to select wipe cache partition, and then confirm it with the power button and select yes. And at the bottom you'll see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so all we need to do now is press power button once again to initiate a said reboot and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.